Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 16 to 18 from the 24th edition of the Ubosiru Quantitative Questions. After this video, you will have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answers when solving questions in quantitative. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can also go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. With these samples, we'll be solving questions 16 to 20. So we need to build an understanding on how these answers are resolved, or what is the relationship with the numbers in each of these questions, for us to know how to solve questions 16 to 18. Now, it is necessary for me to tell us that there is no particular pattern for solving quantitative questions. All we need to do is to come to the understanding of how each particular question is solved, then we can use it in resolving the questions ascribed to that sample. Now, for this one, we have 4 here, 2 here. Now, if you look, you'd see on the above, we have 4 times 3, and on the below, we started from the next number lesser than this, 1 times 1. So 4 times 3, and we keep counting. Then for the number at the base, we start from its next number, which is 1 times 1. All right, let's try it out for the next one. Now we have these 5, and we have 3. So on the numerator, it's going to be 5 times 4 times 3, and like that, like that. On the lower R1, which would give answer for the denominator, we'll have the lesser number 2 times 1. So assuming we have 4 here, we'll start from 3 times 2 times 1. All right, let's try it for the next one. Now, look at this next one. We have 7, we have 4. So for us to write out the numbers in the numerator, we're going to write out from 7 times 6 times 5. We keep counting, but we only root out 7, 6, 5. Then for the denominator, we'll start the number 1 place lesser than this number here. So we'll start from 3 times 2 times 1, and that's what our answer. So with this understanding we've gotten from these samples, it's going to guide us in solving questions 16 to 18. Let's move right in and get this question solved. Now, question 16. We have 6 as a power and 4 as a base. Now, we've been asked to fill the denominator. They've given us answer, they gave us answer to the numerator. So it will be 6 times 5, which is the numerator. Then for the denominator, I told us from the sample, is going to be we are going to start from a number lesser than the base. So since this is 4 at the base, we are going to start from 3 times 2, and we can continue counting if we like. But we're going to definitely start from 3 times 2. So we're going to be looking at the answer which best fits into what our denominator should be. So you should start from 3 times 2 times 1 if we are to write it out in 3 numbers. So option A is not our correct answer. Option B is definitely our correct answer because it started from a number 1 place lesser than the base. 3 times 2 times 1. Our answer is not option C nor option D. So our correct answer would be option B. Let's check it out. Option B, 3 times 2 times 1 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 17. So we have 7. They didn't give us the base, and they've given us for the numerator, which definitely is correct, starting from 7 times 6 times 5. Now, for the denominator, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So it simply means the base would be one number higher than the beginning of this one, than this number. One number higher than this one. Because it's from this base, we must have derived this. So the base will definitely be a number higher by 1 than 4. And that number is 5. So option A will be our correct answer. So if this is 5, it definitely means this will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, let's check it out. 17, correct answer is 5. Because if this is 5, then it's going to start from a number 1 value less than we multiply through. So 5, then this will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, let's look at the next question. Question 18. There's a question mark here. We have 4. Now, just the way we understood from the samples, the number here will start lesser than 1 of these, which is 3 times 2 times 1. But for this, this value here would be the value that would be here. So our answer to this question would be 6. Option A, 6, would be our answer to question 18. Let's check it out. 6 is definitely our answer. All right. So this is how much we can take in this video. I hope you had fun. Our answers came out straight away. So I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below. So we can get updates on videos to come, and we can also ask questions and comments on the previous videos we've seen. It is usually fun having you guys around till I come your way again. Bye.